Finding your niche. What type of writing suits you best? Are you ready to embark on a journey into the world of writing? Fantastic! Writing is an art, and like any art, it comes in many forms, each with its own unique appeal. Whether you're a wordsmith at heart or just dipping your toes into the vast ocean of possibilities, finding your writing niche can be the exhilarating first step toward a fulfilling writing career. So, let's dive in and explore the world of writing niches to discover which one resonates with your creative spirit. 1. The storyteller, creative writing. Do you find yourself daydreaming about epic adventures, fascinating characters, or intriguing mysteries? If your imagination knows no bounds and you love crafting captivating narratives, creative writing may be your calling. This niche encompasses fiction, short stories, novels, and poetry, allowing you to transport readers to worlds of your own creation. Dive into the realm of storytelling and let your creativity run wild. 2. The persuader, copywriting. If you possess the art of persuasion and enjoy the thrill of convincing others, copywriting might be your forte. Copywriters are the unsung heroes behind compelling advertisements, persuasive product descriptions, and attention-grabbing marketing campaigns. Your words can influence people's decisions and drive sales. If the idea of being a persuasive wordsmith excites you, this niche is worth exploring. 3. The informer, journalism and content writing. Are you a curious soul who thrives on research and reporting? Journalism and content writing offer opportunities to explore a wide range of topics and share valuable information. From news articles to informative blog posts, this niche allows you to be the bridge between knowledge and the curious minds hungry for it. Inform, educate, and make a difference with your words. 4. The techie, technical writing. For writers who have a love of technology, technical writing is a niche worth exploring. Technical writers translate complex information into clear and concise documents, making it accessible to a broader audience. User manuals, software documentation, and technical guides are just a few examples of what you could write in this niche. Dive deep into the world of tech and make it understandable for others. 5. The trendsetter, content marketing and blogging. Do you have a passion for sharing your expertise or interests with the world? Content marketing and blogging allow you to do just that. Whether you're a fashionista, a foodie, a travel enthusiast, or an expert in a specific field, you can create content that resonates with like-minded individuals. Share your knowledge, experiences, and insights while building your personal brand. 6. The messenger, ghostwriting and speechwriting. Some writers excel at giving voice to others. Ghostwriters and speechwriters craft words on behalf of clients, allowing them to express their ideas eloquently. If you have the ability to capture someone else's voice and deliver their message effectively, consider exploring this niche. It's a unique, often behind-the-scenes, way to make a significant impact with your writing. 7. The inquisitive mind, academic writing. Are you a lifelong learner who enjoys delving into research and analysis? Academic writing provides a platform for exploring complex topics, conducting research, and contributing to the academic world. Whether it's essays, research papers, or scholarly articles, this niche is ideal for those who thrive on intellectual challenges. 8. The social advocate, content for nonprofits. If you're passionate about making a positive impact on society, consider writing for nonprofits and social causes. These organizations often need compelling content to raise awareness, attract donors, and promote their missions. Your words can be a powerful force for change, shedding light on important issues and inspiring others to take action. 9. The wordsmith for hire, freelance writing. For those who crave variety and flexibility, freelance writing might be the ultimate niche. Freelancers have the freedom to explore multiple niches, writing for different clients and publications. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving path that allows you to continuously refine your talents and adapt to constantly changing writing demands. 10. The educator, teaching and tutoring. If you enjoy not only writing but also teaching others how to write effectively, consider becoming an educator in the field of writing. You can offer writing workshops, tutor aspiring writers, or even become a writing coach. Helping others fine-tune their talents can be immensely rewarding. Your writing odyssey begins here. In the world of writing, there's a niche that will suit every unique personality and passion. Your journey as a writer is an odyssey waiting to unfold, and it all starts with discovering your niche. Whether you choose to immerse yourself in creative storytelling, influence through persuasive copy, or inform through journalism, your words have the power to connect, inspire, and transform. So, take those first steps with confidence as you embark on your writing adventure. Remember, there's no urgency to find your particular niche. It should reveal itself and evolve as you explore different areas of the writing industry. The key is to stay curious, keep writing, and let your words carry you to places you might never have imagined. Happy writing! Did you find this video helpful? If so, please be kind enough to click on subscribe and like so I can continue to create content for you. Thanks.